I'm Toby Droz, a graduate of the Digital Communications and Media program at Lethbridge College. Since I graduated, I've been growing my career in small business marketing, doing social media strategizing and content creation for local businesses. But that's not the only career this program prepares you for. Whether you're a budding filmmaker, graphic designer, photographer, marketer, writer, radio personality, or sports journalist, Digital Communications and Media is the place for you. In your first year, you'll focus on a variety of foundational courses that build your creative skills and strengthen your understanding of the media industry. This consists of hands-on teaching in graphic design, audio production, video production, photography, marketing, and storytelling through different mediums. In your second year, you'll have the chance to take those foundational skills and apply them to larger industry-based projects. This includes writing, designing, and photographing content for our student-produced magazine, newspaper, and website, lethbridgecampusmedia.ca, hosting your very own radio show, producing television and radio commercials for actual clients, creating and executing detailed marketing plans, producing news and entertainment programs that air on local television and stream online, as well as producing live sports broadcasts of our very own Lethbridge College Kodiak games. In your final semester of Digital Communications and Media, you'll get the chance to specialize in the fields you're the most passionate about by choosing 2 of 3 electives, including Advanced Audio Writing and Production, where students get in-depth hands-on experience in radio, producing live shows, pre-recorded segments, podcasts, and radio commercials. Advanced Publishing, Photo, and Design is where students further explore their photography and graphic design skills to produce high-quality content for a variety of different media platforms such as websites, social media, brochures, magazines, or even catalogs. Or Advanced Video Writing and Production, where students can explore the world of special effects, music videos, short films, corporate videos, and television news and sports stories. These electives give students the opportunity to dive deeper and become a master in the field they're most interested in, while still having a strong skill set in the others. This gives us grads an advantage when searching for jobs, because we are, as I like to say, a jack of all trades. Another draw of the program is its involvement in sports media production. Students get the opportunity to do everything from live play-by-play and behind-the-scenes production work to photography, social media, and communications for the college's Kodiaks, both traditional and esports teams, and other Lethbridge sporting events. This hands-on experience is invaluable for those looking to build a career in the sports industry. Digital Communications and Media is a great choice for those looking to succeed in any avenue of the media industry. Students graduate with a hands-on, well-rounded skill set that is highly sought after in today's job market.